Delete a dictionary item if the key exists. Is there any other way to delete an item in a dictionary only if the given key exists, other than? The scenario is that I'm given a collection of keys to be removed from a given dictionary, but I am not certain if all of them exist in the dictionary. Just in case I miss a more efficient solution.
You can use dict.pop. Note that if the second argument, i.e. none, is not given, key error is raised if the key is not in the dictionary. Providing the second argument prevents the conditional exception.
There is also. This only does one lookup instead of two. However, except clauses are expensive, so if you end up hitting the except clause frequently, this will probably be less efficient than what you already have.
Approach. Calculate keys to remove, mutate dict. Let's call keys the list/iterator of keys that you are given to remove. I do this. You calculate upfront all the affected items and operate on them. Approach. Calculate keys to keep, make new dict with those keys. I prefer to create a new dictionary over mutating an existing one, so I would probably also consider this. Or
That's the same.